Okay, now we're going to try to use the vent tool here. With that sketch I created, it's not going to be perfect, but apparently, um, you know, you can draw it, in any pattern you want. So there's a lot of different options here. Although this help kind of sucks because it really doesn't guide you on it, but I'm sure there's a video somewhere out on the internet how to do this. But you select vent, okay, and it's asking you for the boundary. Now, of course, when you select the first line, it'll also select the face, but you got to continue selecting these lines to define a closed boundary for it, just like that. Again, that could have been circular or any design, and but you can have two things like ribs and spars in it. Okay, now a rib would be these things here. Okay, a spar is these concentric circles, just like it says. So that's one way of looking at it. We don't really have any ribs here. I should have drawn one, but see, if you select one, you can see what's happening, but basically it's defaulting to too big of a opening, so I'm gonna, or too thick of a spar, so I'm gonna choose that. But just multiple select the damn thing, and it'll fill up your boxes, and then just click OK, and there you go. Bob's your uncle. So ostensibly you can go edit your diagram if you want. I guess it'll work, I don't know. Alright, so I can make it a little more identical to what we had on the other side. Exit sketch and see if that applies. Yep, there you go. Now, I could probably go back into that same sketch if you wanted to, and well, let's just add something like this and call it a rib. See if we can call it a rib. Okay. Exit sketch. Okay. Now, since we didn't do anything with that, I go select edit. Okay, I'm going to go select that circle as a rib. Ostensibly, it's set to 5 millimeters by default, so I'll change it to 2. Okay, and look in the fillet thing, get a fillet of 0.5. Okay, apparently didn't like that. Okay, there we go. So choose enter, hide that sketch. Okay, and there's our thing. Let me go hide my origin here. Well, origin's already hidden. I don't know what that is. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we got a nice ventilated enclosure, and pretty slick looking, eh? I'm gonna put that on the market and sell it for $1,000.